Canceling H2O Wireless Auto Recharge is straightforward. Auto Recharge is a convenient feature that automatically refills your account balance, but you might want to turn it off for better control over your budget or to avoid unexpected charges. Here are the methods to cancel as of September 2025. You can do it through the H2O Wireless app, via the website, or by calling customer service. Important note: canceling autopay will stop future automatic payments, but won't affect your current balance. You'll still need to manually refill your account to keep your service active. There are 3 main ways to cancel your H2O Wireless Auto Recharge. Let's go through each method step by step. First, log into your account through the H2O Wireless app on your iOS or Android device, or via the website at h2owireless.com. Then, find the My Account or Billing section and select Auto Recharge or Auto Pay settings. Toggle the feature to off or click Cancel Auto Recharge. You might need to confirm your choice via SMS or email. Alternatively, you can call H2O Customer Service at 1-888-993-6622. They are available 24/7. Provide your account details and request cancellation. If you are using a third-party app or website to manage your H2O Wireless plan, cancellation steps might be different. Make sure to check their specific instructions.